Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A3 front brake pads easy guide. Begin by loosening lug nuts slightly, then raise the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the caliper and rotor condition. Compress the caliper piston carefully using the correct tool and remove old pads. Clean caliper slides and apply lubricant where specified. Install new pads, torque lug nuts, and test pedal firmness before driving. In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A3 front brake pads easy guide. Start with the correct tools: jack, stands, lug wrench, torque wrench, caliper tool, and new pads. Ensure the car is stable and wheels chocked before lifting. Remove the wheel and access the caliper bolts. Slide the caliper off carefully and support it to avoid strain on the brake hose. Replace hardware and reassemble with clean parts and proper torque. In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A3 front brake pads easy guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy working in your garage, a small speaker can lift spirits and cue your steps. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a fun background companion while you wrench. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A3 front brake pads easy guide. After removing the caliper, take out the old pads and clean the pad carrier area thoroughly. Install new shims and clips as needed, then seat the new pads in place. Compress the pistons slowly and evenly, then refit the caliper and bolts with proper torque. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and test the brakes at low speed to confirm performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.